Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for Bitcoin versus the US dollar. The date is April 19th. It's 11:40 a.m. We are looking at the weekly chart for Bitcoin. Back after taking last weekend off for Easter. Excited to get into some trading positions. Okay. So weekly Bitcoin, my sentiment's mixed. Still stuck in this price wedge we've been talking about the last few weeks. So we see 5,000 holding, but here comes the ceiling. It's getting closer, right? We're getting more and more near the tip of this wedge, which means it's just basically going to go completely sideways and then massively break out in one direction or the other. Still could be a while though. We see this price wedge really could go all the way to 2021. So a breakout isn't imminent anytime soon. We see the last month has been very bullish as far as weekly candles, but we're still moving underneath the fast weekly moving average. So the 20-week moving average, we're still moving underneath it, which is bearish. We're still trapped within this descending bearish triangle. That's another bearish. However, on the swing of that, you've got a long-term bullish trend going back to, if we draw this all the way back to 2016, and this is back here, you see these candles, how they're very tiny, super low volatility, similar to what you'd see on other altcoins these days, right? If you go into Binance or something, a lot of coins are just looking like this. So if we kind of go all the way back to this price action, and we build a trend, so you see price below this line and above it. We see some nice pipes, candlesticks, right? Bullish engulfing here. Price visits again, bullish engulfing. And most recently, in April of 2020, we see our last big bullish push. And so, but now price has to go above 77.50 in order to become bull. Otherwise, it's just stuck in this sideways wedge, and it really hasn't proven anything yet. So, short term, looking possibly bullish, but I'm not going to buy anymore until possibly we see a revisit of 51 or the 5,000 because of the potential. Let's go ahead and look at the daily. Here we go. Price is moving above the fast moving average, so that's bullish. However, see here we got a resistance right at the 7,700 mark. If we look back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about a dozen touches on either side of the support and resistance line, making it fairly significant, meaning price won't move through there without a battle, right? So we'll have sellers, people shorting Bitcoin are going to be waiting right here at 7,700. You can make a small percentage scrape on the way up there, or if you believe in the bull, you wait for your next touchdown on the 5,100 before you buy. Let's see. Let's talk about ifs. If price breaks above 7,700, and we have a bullish candle close above that, 8,000 line, then we could test the top of this triangle. The only way I'm bull on Bitcoin is if we're above 9,000. So bullish above 9,000. Otherwise, I'm just sideways. I'm going to stay on the side, right? Sidelined. Below 5,000 is your bear. We see a bearish weekly candle close below $5,000. That's going to be your big sell signal. So for now, I don't see any of those scenarios happening anytime soon, with the exception of going up and touching 7,700 to 8,000. Look for that possibly this week. But could be sideways for the rest of the year. So, we will see. If you want to stay up to date with all of our videos, make sure you click that red subscribe button. We talk about Forex pairs like Euro, Pound, Yen, do stuff like gold, Dow Jones. So, all right, have a great week. I hope you make lots of profit.